In these sessions, quickly, first we will be discussing about course part and then we'll be moving to technical session. So this is all about GATE online crash course by IGC, and it is going to start you all aware from November 1st. Okay, so we are starting it from November 1st. And this course is of 2 months teaching part, okay, around 200 hours, okay. So the duration of this course is 200 hours and close to 2 months, and then we'll be having support for this course till gate exam, like Feb first week, okay. So whatever the teaching part, will be finishing it by December end. Then there will be some doubt sessions in January month along with full length mock exams. Okay. So this is about briefly on this course part. So quickly, I will go through other, details of the course, and then we'll be moving to technical sessions. So as mentioned, course is commencing from November 1st, and it will go till Feb. And these are our contact details to know more about course. Now, in course details, if you look into, course part, uh, we are currently providing this crash course only for aerospace engineering branch at IGC, and the duration is 200 hours, and the classes will be on both weekdays also and weekends also, like Tuesday to Friday and Saturday and Sundays. So Monday usually we keep holidays, and the timing in weekdays Tuesday to Friday class is 8:50 to 10:50 in night. Okay, and we don't take any class on evening times like 6 to 8, where a lot of disturbances are there. Either you come, from college, and then you need some rest. Also, some people may be working; they also need some rest, and evening time is dinner time. So we kept this time, which is not so early, not so late. It is very helpful for many people. Saturday it is evening, like 5:50 to 5:50 to 7:50. There is one slot. Then there is a dinner break, like 7:50 to 8:50, and then again there is a class. Sunday it is morning, like 10 to 2. There is one class in morning, and then there is lunch break, and then 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. another class. Okay, so any concern on timing part, guys? Because I think this time is suitable for all kind of people. Either you are college going, or preparing 100% gear for gate, or if you're working. Any concern, guys? Anyone has any concern on timing part? Anyway, this was said, but I have explained it. Okay. Now, before going to this, one more thing. What will be our approach for this crash course, and how crash course is useful? Anyone has any concern on those part? How this crash course is useful in getting, good result? See, last year we took a first time crash course at IGC, and I'm very happy to share we got 4 people in top 100 from crash course. And we have not taught many people last year in crash course since we started first time. There were around 15 around people, 15 people. Okay, last year. But what I felt, this course is very, very useful. It's very useful. Those want to learn in quick time. Those who are not having much patience and those who have not joined anywhere, okay, or are starting their preparation late. Okay, but some people who want to learn in depth, then there is another course at IGC called Target Gate course. So if you are ready to learn in quick time and starting your preparation late, then this course is very useful. Now, as I already told, is this course helpful in getting top rank? Yes. We have proved last year and we have got 4 people in top 100 and all of them have secured admission in IITs. Okay. So clear this point. Any concern on this part, guys? So it's not like you joined 1 year back, for gate preparation, then only rank comes. It's not like that. Okay, for getting best rank, there are many factors involved. First is hard work, sincerity, regularity, and then smart work is also important. Anyone has any concern? I'm audible, right?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
audible. Yeah, all right, fine. Now, this course helps a lot in maintaining sincerity, regularity. Okay, in last 2 month, peak month, right? Because now these 3 months of preparation are peak month, right? You all know, right? This November, December, and January are peak month of your preparation. So you want to prepare regularly, then also this course will help a lot. Okay, so maintaining regularity in your preparation, because classes are not whole day. Classes are like 2 hours in a day, on weekdays, and weekends 4 hours, 4 hours. So if you are preparing 100%, then also it is very useful course. You can maintain regularity by attending regular classes and interacting in classes, asking your doubts. Okay, in a whole day you do self preparation and during class you can ask your doubts because classes are interactive. Okay, but try to do one thing: whatever subjects going on during class, that subject you study in a day and then get more clarity or you ask more doubts. Clear now, Vishal? My point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's good. Now in course, what we are going to cover, we will be covering 100% syllabus. We'll be teaching all core subjects, also engineering, mathematics, and numerical aptitude will be covering. Okay. So all the subjects will be taught in, the brief and crisp manner, like all the concepts will be covered. PYQ will be solved during classes, previous year's questions. Okay, so emphasize is to make understand you all the concepts and giving the essence of gate exam by solving previous year's question. In that we cannot go due to time permission, time is limited. Okay. In course feature, what all we provide, we'll be providing live interactive classes of around 200 hours as mentioned. Then you all will get the recording of live class as well for recapping of the classes. You guys will also get e-study material in e-form, in-depth material. Someone want to go in depth, then they can refer e-study material. They will also get PYQ solutions in e-form for all previous year's paper solution. There are 30 plus major exams are provided in this course, which are like subject exam, then module exam, and 12 full length exams. So I think these are more than enough if you write these exams sincerely. First 1 month you should put your efforts on building your concepts and all. And then from December first week you must start writing exams like those subjects which are covered in November month. And slowly other subjects will progress. So December fully you guys should spend in subject exams and module exam as per this course plan. And then January, once by December and the whole syllabus is wind up, you can write full length exams. Okay. And 10 to 12 exams are more than enough before, real gate exam for mock. And as you all know, the fee for this complete course is 15K. And you will also getting the e-reference books as and when wherever required. You guys can refer e-books. But now since time is less, so I will suggest, stick to IGC materials, class materials, and your notes which you prepare during classes. So this is about course. Anyone has any concern on this course detail part, guys? Any concern? Okay, hopefully no concern. So let's move on. Yeah. So registration process, already some of you have already registered for classes. So you have to pay first and then submit online application form. And these are the details already available in brochure. Now this is our team. So except few, most of them will be taking their respective subjects. Okay, in next 2 months. So you guys will able to interact not just one or two faculty, many faculty, and get best from them. So all of them have both academic and industrial credentials. So it will be helpful, in defining your career. Now these are our, sample work links. So you guys can click and go through the sample work. And this is the details of, online mock exams for this crash course. So you can see the subject exam, module exams, and full length exams details. These are the active doubt discussion forum in our WhatsApp in non-class hours. So you can share doubts and it can be discussed with the fellow teammates, with our team members. Okay. And these are very helpful doubt forum. Mostly works 24 into 7. Okay. And I would like to make it further, more interactive and more, attentive in terms of the time limit by bringing more our alumni in these groups. Okay, those who are already toppers of their own time. Now these are the results in 2022 results. So we got 36 people in top 100, and we got around 60 people in top 200, and around close to 50 or more people have got admission already in IITs this time. Guys, Vishal, right? Many people this year, even with a higher rank, they got in IITs, yeah, in new IITs, in IITs, different courses. So this was a really good year in terms of admission, producing 50, close to 50 or more IITians or ISC guy. It's a big reward for our hard work. And this was like golden result for us, 2021 result. So you all can see. So here also we got 36 people, but it was a golden result because we have jumped leaps and bounds in terms of result after starting online classes. Because in online we could cover pan India and we could teach more students as well. And consistently now we are getting our students in government jobs also whenever openings are happening, like in HL from last 2 years openings are there, and both year IGCians got succeeded in getting government job in HL. Previously there were openings in DRDO and BAIL also, we could get our students in both places. And I am happy to tell currently there are 30 openings are there in DRDO and ADA. with the gate score. In upcoming days, they are going to, fill those openings, and we are pretty sure among those 30, many will be IGCians, because our last 3 year students, they are allowing gate 2020, gate 2020, 2021, and 2022. And many of IGCians are topper, and we will be providing them mock interviews also. So if you are IGCians, our support will not limit just to your gate exam. Okay, even our support will be valid after gate, for HL, DRDO, or anywhere. If you go for any interview, you guys can always consult with our team. You guys can consult with the seniors who have already got selected in the different places. So we'll be always there to, pull your hand and move. And these are the few of the, our feedbacks and results, you guys can see. So even our third year students also got a very good rank of AR 59. So it's all possible with hard work. So these are the some of the, feedback. And these are our contact details. And our office is in Bangalore. It is in near Marathali area, Panatur. And I am happy to share, first time we have built a professional office. Recently, Vishal. Now we have a proper tech office in Bangalore, and soon we'll becoming, more professional and more aggressive institute in terms of providing further better support. Okay. So I think you guys can follow us on these different social media platform, and we have a presence everywhere, and we keep sharing important stuffs related gate and career related things. So any doubt or concern on this course part, guys? Anyone has any doubt or concern, guys? Okay, fine. So if no concern or no doubt, we'll move to next session.